Luxie, it's been... I didn't even say anything yet. Luxie, you think you can give everyone a big woo?
Eating your dinner in peace with a Shih Tzu.
You can't take the duck with you. No, we're going to go on a walk without the duck. Mably, you can't take the duck. No, we're not going to take the duck. No. I've told you, Mably, we're not taking the duck.
Maple, this your baby, Maple. This your baby. Oh, it's hungry, Maple. That's your baby.
Hey, Brown. Why is your tongue hanging out? Clean yourself up. Get yourself together. You're a mess, dude.
Doing while driving hands off the wheel and incredibly dangerous.
No! You've just eaten dinner. Relax.
You guys are just taking a big old nap out here, weren't you? Enjoying this beautiful day. Now that it's starting to get a little cooler. You want a watermelon? Okay, come over here. Kiss it.
I said you're not about to go outside because you just took a bath. You already potted. Go sit back down. No. Thank you. I love you.
Oh, Maddie. I see you. Hi. Look, I have a Mav tattoo on me. Hi. I missed you. I did. Hi. Bye.